As we know, summer vacations are coming and many students are looking for industrial training program for their projects, and some others are looking for some professional courses which would be beneficial for their future and career. So we have various options for you. My name is Vani. I am assistant manager at Pristine Tech School. Pristine has introduced many courses and programs, that is web designing, web development, app development, digital marketing, programming languages and many more. We work on live projects. Our motive to impose this industrial training program and courses is to give you practical ethics and professional work culture. So yes, we have some slots available for all the courses. So if you want to grab your seat, feel free to call us on 90562 66661. Thank you. Have a nice day.